Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel Smart English with Jenny White, a channel that offers teaching tips, songs and games for you, most talented teachers in the world. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And we begin. How to make your students learn irregular verbs? Who knows? No one knows. We try different methods. We try to be kind. We say, dear kids, learn irregular verbs. It is very important. Sometimes we want to be strict and we say, learn irregular verbs. This is your homework for tomorrow. But it doesn't work. They still don't do anything. But what if we suggest something really exciting? And it's not just a game for kids. This is something for adults, something that children never do at school. Playing cards. What? Playing cards at school? Of course we want to do it. This is what even the laziest students say when it comes to playing grammar poker. Step number 1. Make 1 or 2 sets of grammar poker cards. All you need is cardboard of different colors and a bright marker. The number of cards will differ depending on the number of students. You can download PDF instructions on how to make them if you click on the link in the description box below the video. Step number 2. Divide your students into 2 teams and give a set of grammar poker cards to every team. At the beginning of the game, every student gets 6 cards. The rest of the cards are on the desk. Let's look at how my students play grammar poker.
Learn.
Learned.
Learned.
Hear. Heard.
Heard. Okay, good.
Go.
Went.
Gone.
Drink.
Drink.
Drank.
Drunk.
If you want to download the rules of the game as a PDF document, you can use the link in the description box below this video. And in the description box, there is also a link to the PDF document which explains how to make grammar poker cards.
Forget.
Forgot.
Well, students continue playing the game like this until one of them has got no cards at all. Then this person is the winner. Yeah. So you are the winner, but be more attentive. Okay, clap your hands, my friends. Thank you. Clap your hands, everyone. Thank you. Very good. Thank you very much. So, dear friends, now you see how it works. The better your students remember the 3 forms of irregular verbs, the faster they play this game. And it will be easy for you to understand when it is time to stop this activity. And you can use this game on a more advanced level with your intermediate students as well. In this case, students should produce sentences. For example, the first card is forget. Present simple. He often forgets to do his homework. The second card, forgot. Yesterday he forgot to do his homework again. And sentence number 3 should be with forgotten. Oh no, you've forgotten to do your homework again. If you want to download PDF instructions on how to make grammar cards for playing grammar poker, you can use the link in the description to this video. And that's all for now. Love you all and see you soon on the channel Smart English with Jenny White.